Hello everyone, this is V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Circular Engineering College, Bhimber. In this video, we are discussing about the XML document type definition. The objectives of this DTD is to define document type definition and to specify the set of rules for structuring the data in any XML file. Writing DTD for XML applications. Here, the document type definition is to define the basic building blocks of any XML document. Using DTD, we can specify the various element types, attributes, and their relationship with one another. We previously discussed about we can by using these XML we can define our own data types. Basically, DTD is used to specify the set of rules for structuring data in any XML file. Many developers recommended writing DTDs for the XML application. DTD standards are defined by the W3C, and DTD may contain the following. The first one is the name of the root element and reference to an external DTD element declaration and entity declaration. DTD data types. PC data. PC data means parsed character data. The parsed character data is that will be parsed by a parser. The text will be examined by the parser for entities and markup. Tags inside the text will be treated as markup and entities will be expanded. C data. C data means character data. Character data is a text that will not be parsed by a parser. Tags inside the text will not be treated as markup and entities will not be expanded. Occurrence of indicators in DTD. None. Syntax A. Exactly one occurrence of A and star mark means 0 or more occurrences. Plus means one or more occurrences and question mark means 0 or one occurrence of K. There are mainly two types of DTDs in there. The first one is the internal DTD and second one is the external DTD. Internal DTD means we define the structure within the XML file, and external DTD means here we are define the structure in different file. Internal DTD. The DTD can be embedded directly in the XML document as a part of it. The general syntax for an internal DTD is document type root element, and here we are writing the declarations. The keyword doc type specifies that a DTD is to be used by the document. The following rules must be followed. The first one is the keyword doc type must be in uppercase, and the document type declaration must appear before the first element in the document. The name following the word doc type must match with the name of the root element in the XML document. So here the example, here we are taking the bookstore as a DTD, and here the first name is bookstore of book plus. This is the declarations we are given, and finally close it by square bracket, and here we are giving the bookstore and the elements are the title of the book and author name and price of the book. These are the The title is PC data and author is the PC data. And finally we are getting this type of things. External DTD. In this type, an external DTD file is created and its name must be specified in the corresponding XML file. The following example illustrates the use of external DTD. Creation of DTD file validationbook.dtd, and here we are saving this DTD file. After the creation of this document, XML document, here XML version 1 bookstore and finally we get the output. Thank you.